I'm Arushi Gupta and I'm from Delhi.
Hi, I'm Varun Puri. I'm from Noida.
I'm Ekta Kapoor. I'm from Chennai.
I'm Kaustubh Sanjay Kambekar from Navi Mumbai.
I'm Aishwarya. I'm from Hyderabad.
I love the multidisciplinary aspect of the university.
It lets you choose the subject which you like and study them only.
My major is in computer science, so even if I want to go into graphics, I can take UWEs from art and design, and I can take something from English which will actually, help me in the near future.
The basic notion people have of researchers doing insane stuff, spending a lot of time in laboratories, but the curriculum which is designed in SNU is in such a way that the research goes along with it.
The entire course evaluation, if you take any course in the university, doesn't depend just on examinations like in other institutes in the country. There are regular assignments which keep you update how the course is relevant in today's world.
Every university provides education, but SNU alone, other than education, it has provided us with a lot of confidence.
The major part about SNU that attracted me the most is this international exposure which they give to the students. The tie-ups with CMU and Babson College has given us a lot of exposure to international standards.
I think as a teenager or as any college student, whatever you want, you'll get here.
Involving dance, music, the cafe, the mess, the sports, the technology, the faculty interactions.
The learning experience does not end in the classroom only. It's amazing how we interact outside the classroom, learn a lot. I just love it over here,
Actually gives a lot of encouragement and support for sports. And basketball, cricket, football, you name it, we have all the courts here.
I have friends from all the country, different languages. I get to see different culture, different festivals I celebrate with them. And at the end of the day, it's always a new learning experience you enjoy with your friends around here. And like a closely knit family, SNU's become.